Guys, what is happening? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Gerber multi-tool. Open. We're going to kind of do this quickly. We got a file, can opener, flathead screwdriver, another can opener, and some scissors, which we'll do a scissor cut test right now. Just cut the plastic. Cut like butter. Just like butter. So look. There we go, we cut off the pieces. That's good. Now, oops. Now here's the knife, a screwdriver, and a saw, and you can replace the saws whenever you like, whenever they get dull, so that's a pretty good feature. So we're going to do the clamp test with this, with the Aaron's Thank You Putty that I did a review yesterday. So, not the greatest clamps, but I mean, they'll work. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace out, home scalies.